Alright, here we go. Box number 5, halfway point. Oh wait, Premier Football. So far, pretty decent case. The McFadden quad patch auto. Hit a freaking Dan Marino quad jersey auto, number to 15. A couple other really sick cards to go along with that. Just gonna have to watch all the videos to see them all. Pack number 5. For the Dolphins, we got Ronnie Brown, number to 99. Then for the Redskins, we got a Malcolm Kelly quad jersey auto, number to 275. Premier Stitchings is for the Steelers of Dorian Bryant, number 7 of 30. Patches, Bengals. Wow, nice patches. Bengals, Broncos, and Bucks. Bucks are out, so it's Bengals and Broncos. Chad Johnson, Champ Bailey, and Carnell Williams, 22 of 75. Nice looking patches, at least the first two. And for the Titans, we got a Chris Johnson autograph, numbered 56 of 65. Awkward eBay 101. With this awesome CJ auto. After that, there you go. Called it. For the Bears, Matt Forte, number 24 out of 25. Autograph. And last card is for the Bengals, triple jersey, 40 of 65. Chad Johnson, Carson Palmer, and TJ Hujmanzada. 3 little Bengal jerseys in there, in the die-cut Bengals. Alright, box number 6. Coming down the home stretch. Second half of the case. Hope it could be equal or greater than the first half. Fuck me. Wow. Alright, for the Texans, Andre Johnson, number to 99. And for the Falcons, quad jersey rookie auto, number to 375, Harry Douglas. You guys will see when we get to the back. Pretty sick card on the back. Number 8 of 30, John Lynch for the Broncos, manufactured patch. You guys are all wrong with your guesses of the back card so far. Then for the Cowboys, we got a dual jersey and 3-color patch of Emmitt Smith, 49 of 65. And we got an autograph for the Lions of Kevin Smith, 26 of 65. No way, dude. You guys are gonna freak out. Matt D. Matt D, man, this is great, dude. Congratulations. Number 1 of 20. Premier Stitchings auto of Bo Jackson for the Raiders. And you guys ready? It's not done. And on the back, a triple jersey of Bo Jackson for the Raiders, numbered 1 of 1. One of 1. That is sick. Alright, 4 boxes to go. Always sick stuff.